Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all see what it is, see what it do. Welcome to September, the worst trade month of the year. Um, you see, man, I'm down $829, $833. Well, $834, 1.24%. And it's steady declining. How long will it stay down? I don't know. Got interest rate cuts around the corner. I think it's either the 14th, I want to say, of September. But I'm going to take advantage of these dips. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel. Also, I am using some margin. More margin. At these prices. Lowering my average cost and things. One stock I'm bringing down right now is ORC. I had about 4 positions in these in different portfolios. Well, 3, should I say. I'm going to cut one off once the interest rates get cut, probably 2027. I'm going to sell a whole position of it. I accumulated dividends since 2020 of selling this. Overall return to be good, but I will sell it in the green, not in the red. All right, ORC. You see I got 1,275 shares. I just went in and brought, as you can see right here, in my history, I just brought 50 shares at $6.96, another 50 at $6.96, 25 at $6.96, and I had a trigger for another 50 for $6.96. So I just brought 175 shares at $6.96. Long my average call is gonna swing trade this at about $7.16. I just want to make one power move to lower my average calls, at least get my average calls below the $8 mark. I'm at 964 right now. I'm thinking about going to get me a good 500 shares. Like I say, I'm going to do this to lower my average calls and I'm going to sell it. I'm going to make probably 20 cents a share. But I just want to lower my average calls. And remember, I've been getting dividends for 5 years on this stock too. So you got to include that day in. But that's one right there. Let's go ahead and get to trading. Going to get your list ready, man. That's what I'm buying. You the CEO of your portfolio. Do what you want. Do what you please. Kraft Foods. I already went and got $10 worth of this already today. I'm going to go get another 3. The reason I say I'm going to use margin is because y'all see my cash balance. Go back to it. Got 147 grand in there sitting. Why not use it? Use somebody else's money instead of mine. I'm going to just buy stuff and sell it. It's a good time to lower your average costs and stuff. Sometimes you got to do that. You want to clean your portfolio up to make it look better. So your overall return to be better too. MSTY having a good day today. I went in and bought $5 or $3 worth of that. UPS. Also down. Got this in another portfolio. I went and brought $10 of that. Buy $10 a day of that. FLO for y'all that have this company. Flowers Foods. As y'all know, I'm getting out of the food industry. So I'm dollar cost averaging definitely down in this one. They lowered the price target to $16. So I'm gonna get my money out of that one. Got a good 6% dividend yield. I think it paid like 24.8 cents a share out quarterly. We got Brown-Forman. I don't know now. Let me put Brown in. Come up then. There you go, Brown-Forman. It's a liquor company. They own Jack Daniels and a lot of Brown. Going in buying some of this too, lowering my average cost, 3% dividend yield. 52-week high, $49.89. I'm sorry, got an upside of $20 a share. 52-week low, 25, 53. Time to nibble in on that one. If y'all want to own liquor company, this will be one. And also Diageo. Give you another option to go at. DEO, another one I own, didn't buy any yet. I'm gonna let it come down some more. Dividend yield 3.67%, 52-week high 142.73 with a low 96.45. Shit, this come below the $105 mark. GIS, y'all, that's in General Mills. I had to lower my average cost in that today also. I will be getting out of this one too. If you're asking why, reason being is because of the sugar. A lot of people getting out of that sugar, added sugar thing. I've been off added sugar for going on four years now. This summer just made 3. Now I see what sugar can really do to your body, man. When I got off the added sugar, I went from a 34 to a 36 like instantly. And got off some processed foods and all that type of stuff too. I basically eat produce and live out of blender now. Still get protein though and all that stuff. Just got back on milk. I got off milk for like 3 years too, and protein shakes. So man, I lost weight. Like it went down. Never was fat, but I guess whatever I needed, I just did not need. It just left me. But getting my weight back right now. I think I'm like naked like 176 right about now. I go between like 175 and 178, but I'm more leaner and feel better than ever. But yeah, that's why I'm getting out of this. This is another food stock too. You see the 52 high, 75, 90 low, 48.29. Getting out of this one, like I say, for the added sugar and they make a lot of cereals and snacks. All the stuff they make is not healthy, man. Just keeping it real. I wouldn't even buy that stuff for my kids anymore. But that's why I'm getting out of that one. Coney. Options on Coinbase had about order in at $6.70. I got 10 shares in another portfolio. This is my fractional share one here, so this dollar cost average on down on fractional shares. Like I said, got up to $6.98 today, so them shares, I'm going to put a sell limit at $6.98. In my Webull, I got unlimited trading in there. ULTY did trigger. I brought 2 shares of this today. In my Webull portfolio, 557 is not bad right now for here. I just buy fractional shares in this one. I buy full shares in my other portfolio. YMAX, YMAX. I did buy 25 shares at $12.49. And $3 while I'm on here with y'all. I bought at $12.49. I think 12. Let me see, 52. I brought another 5. It triggered. Y'all know this pay out weekly also. I brought 25 at $12.49 and another 5 at $12.53. So when I get my 100 shares of it, well, I got over 100. I'm sorry. Get my 1,000 shares, working towards that. I'm working towards my 259. But want to lower my average cost in this one also, and boost my weekly income. Got pets. You can only buy full shares on the pullback. I just put a buy limit order, 5 shares at 301. But I'm about to buy another 5 right here at 302. 303 don't matter. I'ma sell it anyway. Now you can see my average cost. Let me go back to pets, just show you an example of the swing trading process. Might have to keep it for a minute. That's why I like to buy dividend stocks. If I buy $30 of pets, I go buy $30 of monthly high yield and paying stock. I match it so I can get at least some dividends with it. If I get a dividend yield of 17%, say 18% on one arm, I take risks on the big REIT and get 0 on this one. You add them together, 0% dividend plus 18 divided by 2, that'd be a 9%. I'm gonna get more growth out of this and get the dividend play out the other. So I get something. Look, I pair things like that until I sell it. I'm at $3.70 now. I got sale limit orders at $4.10 for this play. Go SVOL. This one paid 30 cents a share a month. It paid between 27 and 30. Lately it's been doing 30. I'm at 16.75. It's at 16.75. So this a buy and hold play right here for me. Give me $10 worth of that. You go deeper, I probably do 50. I'm gonna just do $10 a day. USOY, cause that's a play I'm gonna keep, and you get some growth. That'll go back to about $17.86. USOY, I'm at 1034, 854 right now. Today is green. I can just leave it alone. Put money in other places. USOI. Also today is green. I'd rather put the money here. What is that? 52.85. Yeah, see this, but I like it below this $55 mark. Because USOY not going anywhere. And also I can go a week without buying nothing and get free dividends. I don't get but like $5 a week now. I'm building my position out in this one. I got a bunch of shares in my other portfolio. I'm a residential REIT, 10 cents a share a month, well 24 cents a share a month. They come down in this one also. This is a buy at 19 and under. And getting his butt whipped since April, as all the other stocks have been. QYLD pay like 16.5 cents a share a month. Doing cover calls on the NASDAQ 100. 1645 is that. Go in and buy some of this. This gonna go back to $17. Lower my average calls. This is a buy and hold ETF for me. One of my safe plays, but I only buy it at certain prices. HRZN. It's another one I'm taking advantage of the $7 and under mark. All the shares I'm buying at this price, I will be selling them. 686. I'm going in at today to bring down that average cost. When I sell them, my portfolio going to look way better as far as my position. I got $9.57. Got 1,182 shares. OXSQ. Going $2.19. This paid 3.5 cents a share a month. SRLN. All right, this pays like 25 to 28 cents a share a month. This is a senior loan ETF. I'm gonna start using this as a bank account, 52-week low. Where it's like a savings account with a high yield. 4209 is 52-week high with a low 3908, 7.33% yield. So I went and brought $10 of that, got that in another portfolio, SCHD. Like it below that $28 mark. I'm at $27.11. It's at $27.78. I got this on a $1 recurring investment. See if that pull back. But for y'all, I know some of y'all kind of high in that. But you shouldn't be. But PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. Another nice one here to grab. Got to buy that cash flow, man. TWO, Two Harbors. We got the 980. We at 984. Give me a half a share of that. Add on to it. Got land. Down to 896. Get $9. Give me a full share today at that price. I'm at 1140. Need to bring my average cost down on this one. This Gladstone land. They rent out land to farmers. 6.09% yield. Got to get that. 52-week high is 14.88. So got upside about $5.88. You know, this is a REIT. Once they cut interest rates, you know, it's going to go back up. Wendy's, I got 5 orders in at $10 and $9.97. Not a bad price right here to just dollar cost average in. I don't get a lot. Got to take advantage of that left between that $10 and $11 mark. When they go back up, I'm going to sell it to clean it up and get my money back. That's another food stock I'm going to get out of. OPI is an office REIT. Gonna be a swing trade. REITs getting beat up. Just pay 1 cent a share every quarter. I'm just loading up on this, lowering my average calls. Like I said, this gonna be another swing. Now I'm at 42.7 cents a share. 4,698 shares. Charge point CHPT. You know they did the reverse stock split. $20 worth a day. 1064. This is usually in the $11 range. At 21.88. AIYY. Options on artificial intelligence. Got a dividend yield about 150%. Got down to 261 today. I put a buy order in at 261 for 25 shares. You can see right there. She also got another one, 245. Just lowering my average cost on this one. I'm at 420, 260 shares. Just pay out monthly, juicy dividend. YBit, options on Bitcoin. It's got down like 967 or something today. I'm gonna get $3 worth at 991 because I like it under 10 just in case it don't come back down. And I need to replace my order today. As you can see, 967. I got it for 1. I'm gonna do 5. That's a nice price to have. They say Bitcoin gonna go to 350,000. All right, let's go check our traps. Get through the trade for the day. How long the market gonna be down? I can't tell you. I don't know. Just don't invest all your money at once. Try to spread it out. Like I said, I don't think it should be down not too long. But we're gonna see. Prospect Capital, this is another one I'm gonna be getting. Especially come back to that $2.80, $2.85 and under. I'm gonna start back buying that. See New Tech. No, I'm good right there with that. DOC, not DOC. I need to get the Dow, DOW. Got KHC, OPI, GPMT. Waiting on all that to come down some more. Ready Capital, I'm good. I go to Dow. $9. I load up, just go back under the $22 range. Petsland, Viatris, Metafast. I sold some of this at like 14 something. It's another one. I just buy fractional shares and I sell a fractional shares when it get to a price that's worth it. Just lowering my average cost, making a couple dollars at the same time. That's gonna be another play I'm gonna get out of. CHCT. Community Healthcare, 18. I'm at 1882. 1533. Arbor Realty, 3.03% down. It's another nice REIT to have and keep. I get a little something since I'm here. I'm at 1204, so not too far off. Randall Balls was BGS Foods. I ain't worrying about none of that. MFA Financial. It's a BDC, Business Development Company. Those in reach, like I said, gonna go up. AFCG. I did take profit at 515. Y'all see that price down 454. That's why I did it. Made my average cost look better with all those shares I brought. Now I'm at 389. 57.8 shares. I can keep it just for the dividend now. I'm focusing on ORC. The next one I'm gonna bring down. Two Harbors. Another one I need to bring down at 950. They got 50% hold, 44% buy. That's another one I need to do. Bring my average cost down, at least below the $11 mark. You can go buy about 50 or 100 shares of that and sell it. We got Coney. DISO options on Disney. Another one I need to come down in. Ain't worrying about AMDY, FSK, ULTY. Got some of that. YMAG, I'm focusing on YMAX right now. I got AIYY, focusing on that one. Look at Chimera Investments. Like I said, I'm reading BDC heavy, man. That's why I'm saying I'm getting out of a bunch of them. 52-week low 985, 1689, 52-week high. I'm at 1568. Throw a little love here today. QQQY. IWMY is one I need to come down in also. Got a 1% discount. Also pays out weekly. We buy them on the days when it pull back. XDTE, QDTE, them got to come down some more for me. YMAX, I already got that. PYPY options on PayPal. Another, I need to take advantage of this one. Nice full share right there. I just dollar cost average on in. TOPT. SVOL got that one. I don't know if y'all heard, but they had delisted the Walgreens stock. Then it got brought out by somebody else. And they paying you in your shares. If you still was holding shares after August 28th, they paid you in shares like $11.45 a share. So you should get your payments like 2 to 3 days after the 28th. Let's see what's going to happen there with that. WBA, here go right here. It's temporarily untradeable. I got 94.89 shares. Let me screenshot this. I should know what I should get. But that's Walgreens. I'm selling in the red. I know I was down in it. Hopefully with the dividends, I think I'll still be in the red. Total cost. AIPI, these some ETFs I recently added on. So just added these on. Just want a dollar cost average down in these. See, I ain't get but $1 worth. Let's keep on piecing it together. QQQIs. It's the Neos Fund. Pay out monthly. I think some of these pay out weekly too. And CHPY 5145. I say ain't loading up on nothing, just buying up his cash flow. Alright, that's it for today, man. Y'all stay cool out there, stay safe, signing off, go get your money.